In the heart of Kerala, where every meal is a celebration and every flavor has a story, there's one staple that unites every table: chicken. And behind this beloved taste is a name that Kerala has grown to trust for nearly 4 decades: KPF Chicken. In 1985, in a small shed with just 300 birds and a big vision, Mr. Shaju Sebastian Kozhikode planted the seeds of KPF Chicken.
കഴിഞ്ഞ 40 വർഷമായി വെൻഗോവിന്റെ സഹായത്തോടെ KPF Chicken വൻ നേട്ടങ്ങൾ കൈവരിക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
A humble farmer with unwavering integrity and an eye on the future, he didn't just raise chickens, he raised standards. Driven by values and built on trust, Mr. Shaju believed that every household deserves chicken that's not just affordable, but also pure, natural, and full of health. Today, that vision lives on through KPF, a fully integrated poultry brand that takes care of your chicken from egg to plate. KPF follows a trusted workflow. KPF Feeds. At KPF, we follow a nature-based feeding philosophy, providing our chickens with a clean, nutrient-rich diet that's completely free from artificial additives. KPF Breeding Farms ensures high-quality chicks through ethical care and superior genetics. Every bird's journey begins with this foundation. KPF's hatchery is equipped with advanced technology to create optimal conditions for hatching the healthiest chicks. We monitor the environment every hour to ensure precise temperature, humidity, and hygiene, fostering strong, high-quality poultry from day one. This meticulous care at each stage guarantees that every chick receives the best possible start, guaranteeing excellence at every stage. Farming unit blends nature and innovation, providing a sustainable KPF ensure healthier birds. KPF processing plant combines advanced technology and strict quality control that are handled with care to Chickland products. Premium quality poultry, our efficient cold chain and distribution system guarantees consistent freshness and ensure availability of products in every retail and wholesale outlets.
എല്ലാവിധ ആധുനിക സൗകര്യങ്ങളോടുകൂടെ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുവാനും ഈ മേഖലയെ നയിക്കുവാനും KPF Chicken സാധിച്ചു വരുന്നു.
With advanced freezing tech, preserving freshness and nutrition, KPF now exports over 20+ chilled and 8+ frozen products to Asian markets, with breeding farms in Udumalpet and Andigundanur, Tamil Nadu, state-of-the-art hatcheries and feed mills in Kerala, and Kerala's first 1,000 birds per hour processing plant at Pala, from a single person to over 450 employees, from one small shed to 300+ contract farming, from a local poultry farm to a household name.
പോൾട്രി വ്യവസായത്തെ ഇനി മറ്റൊരു ഉയരത്തിലേക്ക് നയിക്കുവാനുള്ള KPFന്റെ ദൗത്യം തുടരുകയാണ്.